Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off USB storage in WhatsApp. Alright, let's begin. So in order to turn off USB storage in WhatsApp, you have to follow these steps. First, open your phone's Settings app and scroll down to find the Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, go to About Phone, then go to Software Information, and here tap Build number 7 times until it says, "You are now a developer." Once Developer Options are enabled, go back to Settings and open Developer Options. Here, scroll down and find USB debugging or USB configuration, depending on your device model. If USB debugging is currently turned on, toggle it off. This ensures that when a USB is connected, WhatsApp or any other app will not have access to USB debugging or external storage. After that, go back and simply restart your device to make sure the change is applied properly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can turn off USB storage in WhatsApp. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.